Okay, good morning students. Before class I have discussed about the trigonometric functions but multiples of the angles. Now today I have discussed about the some more problems based on the multiple angles. For suppose in the examination point of view, find the value of sin square 50 degrees minus sin square 75 degrees. Sin square 15 minus sin square 75 degrees. So actually, you know the values of both actually. Sin 50 degrees you know, sin 75 degrees you know. Substitute and calculate the value. But it's time taken process. But it is in the form of observer sin square A minus sin square B. That is equal to sin square A minus sin square B from sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Remember this formula. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B formula, sin square A minus sin square B. This is nothing but the cos square B minus cos square B. In the examination point of view, in terms of suppose asking in the cos, first value is B, after that this value is A. In sin asking, therefore AB. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Understood? Now first suppose this is the value of A, this is value of B, sin square A minus sin square B. What is that one means? Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B, 15 degrees plus 75 degrees into into sin of A minus B, 15 minus 75 degrees. Now 15 plus 75 is sin 90 degrees into sin of 15 minus 75 is minus 60 degrees. You know the value of sin 90? Sin 90 is equal to 1. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta minus sin theta, sin 60 value root 3 by 2. That is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Okay students, observe that actually these two are the trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions, but in this one what is there? Difference is there. The difference will be transformed into the product. The difference will be transformed into the product. This is actually product in between the two trigonometric functions. This in between difference. The difference is equal to convert into the product. Vice versa, product will be converted into the difference. The sum or difference of the two trigonometric ratios will be converted into their product and vice versa. That is called transformation of the trigonometric ratios. Transformation, you know the transformation is from one place to another place. In this way, plus it changes into product, minus will be changed into the product. Product will be changed into algebraic sum. Algebraic sum is plus and minus. Understood? Here minus is there, that will be changed into the product. Now, you know the trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios are there? We will do in this time. So many trigonometric ratios are there. Already before we find the components. What are the components? Sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B. So many we will find. Now observe that. What is the formula of sin of A plus B? Now transformations. Sum or difference of the two trigonometric functions will be converted into their products and vice versa. Product will be converted into the sum or difference. Sin A plus sin B, for suppose. Sin A plus sin B. This is sum. The sum will be converted into the product. Difference will be converted into the product. Sin A plus sin B is not equal to sin A into sin B. Remember that. Some formulas is going on. Proofs. Okay. How to do? Listen carefully. You know very well. All the formulas you know. Before I taught that one. Now observe that. Sin of A plus B. You know the formula sin of A plus B? Sin A plus sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. You know very well sin of A plus B formula. sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now sin of A minus B. You know very well I think. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Understood? Next, cos of A plus B. You know very well all formulas. Cos of A plus B is equal cos A cos B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Understood? Cos of A minus B. You know the formulas, all you know formulas. Cos of A minus B formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. First of all, this is equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. Sum or difference of the two trigonometric ratios means those two trigonometric ratios of the same function but different in the angle. What I am saying? Sum and product will be converted into the sum and difference will be converted into the product. Sum of the two trigonometric ratios or difference of the two trigonometric ratios will be converted into the product. For suppose sum sin A plus cos A is there. In between what is there? Plus is there. But this is sin trigonometric function, this is cos trigonometric function. This will be converted into the product. Yes, possible. Whenever sin will be changed to the cos or cos will be changed to the sin, because these two functions must be same. 100% will change. Cos A means sin of 90 minus A. Cos theta means sin of 90 minus theta. This is sin, this is sin. 100% those two functions have the same functions but different in the angles. This is sin 30 plus sin 60. No problem at all. First of all, in the problem cos is given. 100% will change into the sin. Sin is given. Sin cos is given. 100% will change sin into the cos or cos into the any one change, not two. Here sin A plus cos A is there. Now sin A plus cos A will change sin of 90 minus A. Now this is sin function, this is sin function, different in the angles. Now we apply the sum. Sum is equal to product. How to? Okay, observe that. Now here adding, in this one observe that adding 1 and 2. What happened? Now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. What happened? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Now that implies this is trigonometric ratio, this is trigonometric, same trigonometric ratio, different in the angle. A plus B, A minus, compulsory difference. That is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Understood? That is equal to. Both are adding. Sin A cos B, sin A cos B. These two are the plus, this is minus. These two are the cancel. Say son, plus minus cancel. Now adding these two. Sin A cos B, sin A cos B. What happened this one? 2 sin A cos B. Observe that. Observe that. In between what is there? Plus is there. Those two are the same trigonometric ratio but different in the angle. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. This plus will become the product. What is the formula? 2 sin A cos B. Simple. 2 sin A cos B. You remember this type and this type. 2 sin A cos B is equal to formula. What is the formula of 2 sin A cos B? Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B equal formula 2 sin A cos B. Understood? Now 1 minus 2. Now 1 minus 2 subtraction. This one minus this one. What happened? Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Here minus, subtraction is symbols must be changed. This is minus, this is plus. These two are cancelled. Cos A sin B plus cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. Next, third plus 4. Not adding these two. Why? Different trigonometric ratios. We cannot add. Okay. For suppose cannot add not means for suppose you add no problem but will change. Anyone must and should will change. Now 3 plus 4. What happened? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A. Adding this minus plus cancel. What is remaining? 2 cos A cos B. So remember the formula. 2 cos A cos B is equal to formula cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B formula is equal to how much? 2 cos A cos B. Next difference 3 minus 4. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A. What happened? Tell me. Minus means this is minus, this is minus. These two are cancelled. Minus minus. Minus 2 sin A sin B. Minus 2 sin A sin B. Understood? Now, suppose you remove this minus, both sides multiply with minus. Or both sides multiply, this is plus, this is minus. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. That is equal to, that is equal to 2 sin A sin B. You remember these formulas. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B is equal to 2 sin A cos B, or 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. 2 cos A sin B, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay. Now, here sum of the two angles is there, here sum of the two angles is there. For suppose one value is given, this is 30 degrees is given, this is 70 degrees is given. How to split? Cannot possible. Some problems cannot possible. That's why you provide some more formulas. Okay. For suppose A plus B, let A plus B equals something. I want C, whatever may be C or theta or pi, whatever may be. Okay. A plus B equals C. Now that A minus B is equal to B. This A plus B, all I have 100%, A plus B, another one A minus B, 100%. A plus B equal to C, A minus B equal to B. Now solving for A and B purpose. First of all, adding these two, what happened? Plus, these two are cancelled. 2A is equal to what happened? C plus D. Understood? A equal to what happened? C plus D by 2. A value. Now subtract those equations. Minus plus, these two are cancelled. B plus D, 2B is equal to, for suppose, now again take A plus B equal to C, A minus B equal to D. Now subtraction, minus plus minus, these two are cancelled. Now 2B is equal to C minus D, B is equal to C minus D by D. Have any doubt? I think, huh? A equal C plus D by 2, B is equal C minus D by 2. Now those values substitute here. First observe that this is equation number 1, sin of, observe clearly. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed, next one. First one observe that this is C, sin C plus, this value C, sin C plus this value is D, sin D is equal to, what is the formula? 2 sin A. A means C plus D by 2 into cos B. Cos B, B value C minus D by 2. That is the formula for sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D formula. What is the formula of sin C plus sin D? 2 sin of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. This is the sum. The sum will be converted to the product. 100% understood or not? This is the product will be converted to the sum. Now, second formula, sin C minus sin D. Those values substitute in these equations. Sin C minus sin D. What happened? That equal to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Understood or not? Yes, I think everyone clear. Okay. Third one, cos c plus cos b. That equal to cos c plus b by 2 into cos c minus b by 2. Okay, my dear boys, any doubt? Okay, last one but not least, fourth one, cos c minus cos. What happened cos c minus cos b? Here minus 2 side, c plus b by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, my dear students, compulsory you read each and every formula. Sin c plus sin d formula, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, sin c minus sin d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, cos c minus cos d formula, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Clear? I think, okay, you will understand. Please remember each and every formula. You will read from this side to this side, this side to this side. LHS is equal to RHS, RHS is equal to LHS. Now I already had 5 formulas means 5 twos are 10 formulas here. These are the 4 formulas. 10 plus 4, 14. Keep in mind. Now we discuss the remaining problem formulas. Tan C plus tan B. Okay, it is very important for calculus part. Those formulas must and should important. Multiple submultiple angles, all formulas. Okay, don't neglect. Okay. Now, for suppose tan C plus tan D, what happened? What is the formula of tan C plus tan D? Observe that. Tan C means sin C by cos C. Tan D means sin D by cos C. What is the LCM? Cos C into cos D. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Denominator sin C cos D plus cos C sin D. What happened that one? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B. That equals sin of C plus D by cos C into cos D. This is the formula for tan C plus tan D. What is the formula for tan C plus tan D? This one remember. Tan C plus tan D is equal to sin of C plus D by cos C into cos D. Understood or not? Yes. Tan C minus tan D, what happened? Here 100% minus. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B. That equal formula. Say cot A plus cot A plus cot C plus cot A. What happened? Cos C by sin C. Cot C means cos C by sin C plus cot D by cos D by sin D. Cot means cos by sin. Now LCM is sin C sin D. Okay, what happened? Sin D cos C plus cos D sin C. What is the formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B. That is sin of B plus C by sin C sin B. This is cot C plus cot D. Next, cot C minus cot D, what happened? Sin of D minus. Observe that. D minus C, not D plus C minus D. D minus C. For example, you write by this is equal to sin C into sin D. Or you write this one minus sin of, they take a common minus in the angle, that is sin of minus theta minus sin theta. That is D minus C means C minus D by sin C into sin D. That is the formula of cos C minus cos. This one or this one. we will do, no problem. Anyone will have. But particular value you observe. Understood or not? This type of questions must and should asking in the examination point of view. Okay, these all formulas very important in calculus part. Each and every formula very important in calculus part. You remember, okay? Now we will do, by using these formulas, we will do one or two questions. But so in the examination point of view, already one or two more formulas. Okay. Next one is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus. You know this one very well. Here into is there. Into how to convert? Product is converted into either sum or difference. That is equal to sin square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus cos square b. Next, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus. That is equal to cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square. Remember these. In the examination point of view, simply find the value. Simple. Find cos square of x plus y by 3 minus sin square of x minus y by 3. This is the actual question. Cos square of x plus y by 3 minus sin square of x minus y by 3. How to? Immediately, here this is a, this is b for suppose. What happened? Cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b. What is the formula of cos square? This is cos square a. Total this is for suppose a. This is for suppose b. Cos square a minus sin square b formula. Cos square a minus sin square b formula. What happened? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Understood or not? Now substitute. Cos square a means x plus pi by 3 minus sin square x minus pi by 3 is equal to cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b, a value x plus pi by 3 plus b value x minus pi by 3 into, in between 100% into, okay, cos of x plus pi by 3 minus b means this is the negative of this side, minus x. Minus b means minus x plus pi by 3. No? Plus pi by 3 minus pi by 3 cancel. That is cos 2x. Here plus x minus x cancel into cos pi by 3. 60 plus 60, 120 means 2 by 3. Cos 120 how much? Pi by 3, pi by 3. 60 plus 60, 120. Cos 120 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Understood, my dear students? That's why 100% you remember the all formulas, all basics. Okay, my dear students? Okay? By using this one, we will do the exercise problems. Okay. Please complete all the problems. Okay, thank you. One and a half.